Well, remember the web in 1995? It was pretty dull and boring, huh? Well, that's exactly what the web feels like on your phone today. Lots of text, lots of error messages, and long page load times. Well, today, for the first time, we're going to show you the full PC web on your phone. Every website, every web app, and every web video. So we're Skyfire, and what we're going to show you today is a downloadable app. And after a quick, easy download process, we're going to get you to a start page. Before we load that, let me introduce myself and my co-founder. I'm Nitin Bhandari, CEO at Skyfire, and with me is my co-founder and CTO, Eric Swenson. And with a quick, easy launch of the product, we get to the Elmo, and that's Skyfire right there. It's got links to some interesting featured content. It's got your bookmarks. It's got your history. It's got a search tool utility as well. Those are all very useful features. Right now, let me go back to what I started off with. I said you'd see every website. Well, in the spirit of Super Bowl, let us show you a really complex website that is loaded with rich content. We're going to show you the full version of ESPN on Skyfire.
So I'll take this moment to point out this demo is running on the cellular network. Nothing is pre-cached, nothing is preloaded on the phone. And there you have the ESPN site, just like you'd see it on your PC. Audio, video, dynamic content. It's all there and lightning fast.
Well, that does look just like my PC. Thank you, Eric. Well, I also started off by saying that we're going to show you every Web 2.0 app. Well, for this next demo, what we're going to show you is a Rock You slideshow running inside my Facebook profile. And just to make things a little interesting, we're going to go head-to-head with some of the other popular mobile browsers and see how they perform. So let's do that first on Skyfire. That's my profile right there. Again, just like my PC. All of the compelling web applications on Facebook that make Facebook what it is, well, they're all there. And those are the slideshows. And I'd like to share with you a slideshow of my friend's wedding. I missed that getting ready for this launch. Let's see it here. Well, there's the slideshow, just like I'd expect. It just works. Well, now let's bring in Mobile IE. That's the browser that ships with all the Windows mobile phones. And let's see that do this thing.
So in the interest of time, I've preloaded all of these pages on the competitors' browsers. In the case of Pocket IE, I cannot even log into the web page because of a page error.
Well, that's not even a starter. Well, for the next competition, let's bring in the most popular downloadable web browser, Opera Mini. And let's run it on a capable piece of hardware, the Nokia N95, and see what that does.
So in the case of Opera Mini, we see the page did load, but instead of a slideshow, I'm looking at a black screen of death.
Well, that's not very compelling either. Well, now for the final challenger, let's bring in the iPhone. That must surely be able to show me my slideshow, Eric.
So here we have the iPhone, and we see it's taken us to the mobile version of Facebook, which I believe is kinda, sorta, almost your profile, but no slideshow here either.
Well, yeah, it does seem a little watered down to me. Well, clearly, Skyfire is the only product that brings you the PC-like experience onto the mobile phone, including slideshows and all the other compelling apps. Well, for my third and final demo, I'd like to go back and remind you that I also said every web video. Well, with this next demo, staying with the Super Bowl theme, I think we're going to make the Giants fans in the crowd really happy. Go Giants, yeah. Yeah, exactly. So what you see here is Eric loaded not just the page within YouTube. Skyfire bookmarks obviously remember the page, but they also remember the location and the zoom settings. If you could have some sound on Elmo, you'd see some audio as well, right? So what we've seen here is not just YouTube video, but the rest of the page is there as well. So this is embedded. You still have your search, you still have your comments, you still have your ratings, the entire functionality. And you're definitely not limited to YouTube only. You could go to any web video destination of your choosing, and it would all just work. Thank you, Eric. So with these 3 demos today, what I showed you was every website, every web app, and every web video. And the reason why Skyfire can pull this off is that we support all of JavaScript. We support Ajax for those complex Web 2.0 apps. We even support Flash, the desktop version, and not just 7, but 8 and 9. With Skyfire, it's all there. We welcome you to come to our booth. Well, today we are also announcing our first public beta. So we invite you to go to our website and register for the beta, or better yet, come by our booth for your priority code. And while you're at the booth, tell us your favorite website, and we'll show you how well it works on Skyfire. We're Skyfire, and we welcome your phones to 2008. Thank you.